How's it going, everyone? Today we're going to be doing an oil change on the 2018 to 2023 Toyota Camry with the 2.5 liter. You're going to need 0W16 oil, and I'm going to use this K&N oil filter. That's the numbers HP1003. And if you need to pick any of these up, I'll put a link in the description. Alright, so our first step after you get the vehicle lifted up is we're going to go underneath the front of it. Come underneath the front bumper and you look down over here. You have this cover and it's got four 10mm bolts. I'm gonna go ahead and remove that cover so we can access the oil drain plug and the oil filter. So now with that cover gone, you can see our oil drain plug right there, and that is a 14mm. If we come over here, we have our oil filter. So now we'll go ahead and get our oil pan underneath the vehicle and take out the oil drain plug. And before we remove the oil drain plug, we'll go ahead and remove our oil fill cap so we can get some airflow while the oil's draining. And now we can go ahead and reinstall our drain plug. And we'll just snug it back up. Alright, so now we can go ahead and remove the oil filter. And before we install our new oil filter, just clean up around right where this oil filter mounts. So normally I'd fill the oil filter all the way up with oil, but since this one's at quite an angle just like that, we'll just fill it about halfway with oil. And we'll just take some of the oil and go around the rubber gasket. And what I like to do with oil filters is get it snugged up and then try to do a quarter turn. And there, that's all set now. And now we can reinstall our cover. It's got this little lip that goes on top of this other plastic piece. Just like that. Now we can reinstall our screws. Alright, so now we're all set to add oil. The only thing is, if you use ramps like I did, you don't want to start your vehicle up to get them off the ramps. You're going to want to go ahead, turn your ignition on, put it in neutral, and just push the vehicle off the ramps. So we go ahead and add our 4.8 quarts. Check our oil level. And we're right about to that top dot. Now we can go ahead and put our filler cap back on. And we'll start the car up, let it run for a few seconds, shut it off, and we'll recheck the oil. And now to clear the maintenance required, you're going to scroll down. You're going to use this right here on your steering wheel. And we're going to scroll down to the settings and go over. So you see the car with the little gear, or hold OK, and go down to scheduled maintenance, push OK, reset data, yes, and that is all. And that is how you change the oil on this Toyota Camry.
If this video helped you out, if you could give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions, leave a comment. And if you're not subscribed to my channel, hit that subscribe button.